Okay, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be taking apart a calculator. If you guys are ever curious what's inside of a calculator. This one right here I got from the 99-cent store, and I'm just going to use it for, scientific reasons now. Okay, what you need is obviously a calculator. This right here is a mini screwdriver that I have to use for glasses because the screws on prescription glasses are really small. So you're going to need one of those or some other really small screwdriver, and I have a magnifying glass just in case you can't see real small, so you can't see like where the screws are at. I can see pretty good up close, so it's not a problem, but just in case you need that. And of course, if you need something to drink, get something to drink. I had some water and I don't now, but it's always good to have something to drink while you're working on stuff. Anyways, so on the back of this there's 6 screws on the back of here, and I've kind of loosened them up already. It was pretty difficult to get these loose, and it took a lot of time. I didn't want to put the whole thing on camera. Anyways, so after you loosen up them screws, take them out. It's going to take me a little minute here to get these out. And have somewhere, you can put the screws. I'm going to put them at the top of the desk up here. You don't want to lose them for when you want to put back your calculator, assuming you do want to put back your calculator. But yeah, it was really hard to get these screws out of here. I actually had to get some extra torque. I think it's called torque, because I couldn't apply enough pressure on turning the screwdriver like this. So I had to put a wrench on the side and turn it like that. I had to really press down and turn. I couldn't get enough torque by myself. Pretty sure that's what torque is. If not, I'm sure you guys will correct me. Yeah, you guys are probably saying, God, the screws are coming out pretty easy. Yeah, I loosened them up pretty good. It took me like 10 minutes to get these screws loosened up, though. Before I turned the camera on. Matter of fact, the first thing I was gonna do, I was gonna do a cell phone. I don't have a cell phone, just a random cell phone. But I couldn't get the screws out. The screws were too deep. These holes, I don't know if you guys could see. Maybe, this is where the whatchamacallit comes in handy. I don't know if that helps. But, these aren't that deep. The holes to where the screws are at aren't that deep, so they could get out pretty easily. I mean, I could get to them pretty easily. I must have, this is really loose now. I just want to take out all the screws. But yeah, it's pretty much undone now. Okay, all the screws are out. Now let's see what's inside. This is a surprise to me too. I got just standard plastic backing right here. This is where all the I don't know what all the impressions are for. It doesn't seem to be really needing the impressions. I thought this might have been for some buttons or something, but there's really doesn't seem to be a need for that. And I think that's pretty cool looking. I don't know. I hope you guys can see that pretty well. There's the battery. There's the power right there. And I guess this is the circuit board right here. I'm not an electronic person, so you guys know more than me, presumably. So, start taking this apart here. Look. It's still going, because, the battery's obviously connected or whatever. I wonder, look, to see if I press. No. trying to press the buttons and nothing goes. Losing little parts here, and this is the actual buttons, or the rubber part to where. Here, I'll take it off so you guys can see. So here's the little buttons right here. Here's the number 7, wherever the 7 goes, and I guess the 7 just goes on there like that. Press the button, and there you go. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty simple, Oh shoot, I'm gonna end up losing. I'm never going to remember where all these buttons go. Look, here's all the little buttons. Here's a little plus sign. And it's funny, you can make weird little things with these buttons if you want to do something else. I don't know. Put them on some Play-Doh or something like that and make like a fake calculator. I don't know, something to do. But yeah, all the smart stuff is just another plastic. Shoot. Another plastic piece right here. This is the cover. Little buttons. But yeah, all the technical stuff is right here. And of course my phone is ringing right now. You guys want to see who's on the phone? It rang once. It rang once and then they hung up. Don't you hate that? Don't you hate when they do that? What's the point of even calling? Probably realize it's the wrong number or something. Okay, so yeah, not really much else I could fiddle around. I could take the battery off, but no reason to do that really. I thought maybe because this is still on here, I want to see if I could press. How's this going here? Oh, wait, no. Like this. Huh. Thought maybe I could still press the buttons, but no, nothing on the screen is even changing. I thought for sure. I mean, I don't see why not. I don't see what would be the reason why this doesn't. I mean, what's the difference between when it's hooked up? I don't know if you can see, but I'm like pressing down the buttons, but nothing's happening. Anyways, that's the inside of a calculator. In case you're curious, now you know. It's a little rubber piece, a couple plastic pieces, a little screen here. This little film right here to connect all the brains and stuff together, and battery, and that's it. All right, take it easy.